So here we are again, and I'm going to multiply by the radical conjugate of the denominator. And that would be the square root of 8 minus, I have to change the sign, minus the square root of 7. So that's what we have. Square root of 8 minus the square root of 7. And then, whoa, in the top I have 2 there. So I guess I'll rewrite that. 2 times the square root of 8 minus the square root of 7. So we have that. That's great. Maybe I'll distribute the 2 in there. But always, on the bottom, I have this times this. That's just regular 8. Hopefully we see that. It's just regular 8. And then this times this. That's minus 7. Minus 7. And I don't have to do the middle terms because that will cancel out. You'll see that. If you FOIL it properly, then the middle terms will cancel out. So I just have 2 root 8. Actually, I can reduce that, can't I? I will. And then minus 2 root 7, also divided by 1. So actually, I don't even need the bottom. And I'm going to reduce the 8. What is 2 root 8? 8, I can break down to 2 times 4, 2 and 2. This is 2 squared times 2. So, I'm using all the rules there. Bam, bam. So it just leaves me with 2. So I have this 2 times this 2 times the square root of 2 minus 2 root 7. So I get 4 times the square root of 2 minus 2 root 7. Now you're thinking like, what the heck just happened? Well, I distributed. I'm really just reducing the square root of 8. That's just 2 root 2. That's simple. I mean, because it's 4 times 2, but 2 is 2 squared times 2. So hopefully you understand that. And I used the conjugate, the radical conjugate. And also, when you're using the radical conjugate, you do this times this. The squares will go away because it's a perfect square. Like when you square a square root, the square root goes away. And then I would have the square root of 8 times the negative square root of 7. That would be negative square root of 56. And then the square root of 7 times the square root of 8 is positive square root of 56. So those cancel out. And then that times that. And it gives me the minus 7 there. Okay, so that's the answer. And I'm done. Goodbye.